My name is Ryan. I'm with Essex Parts Services. We are AP Racing's distributor here in North America. We're here over at SOHO. They're gracious enough to let us come over here and check out their new Z. We're test fitting some prototype parts on the car based off information we'd already gathered to see if our brake systems would work. We're a brake system specialist mainly. Cut our teeth in the motorsports industry, working with NASCAR, sports car, and some Formula car teams over the years. We really did well in NASCAR, and we've opted to take our knowledge and understanding and our equipment and apply them towards more road cars for the guys that really want to take their cars out onto the racetrack. Our systems are typically lighter. We'll save anywhere, I think on this one, we're saving about 12 or so pounds per corner on the front axle and another 5 or so per corner on the rear, so about 10 pounds for a total weight savings of about 40 pounds of unsprung weight off the car. We also add a lot of thermal capacity into the system. Our discs are highly efficient. We run high vane count. And our calipers are what AP is designed as what they call the radical design concept. They're an asymmetrical caliper that takes into account the rotational force of the disc in order to increase rigidity. Increased rigidity reduces compliance, and the brake system provides better feel both for application and release. So yeah, we've been pretty successful. You can check out our website at essexparts.com. Go to our blog and you'll see a lot of reviews of our brake systems. And the Nissan, we came out with a 370 recently. This car is actually very similar underneath it, so it allowed us to come to development a lot faster than some of our other designs. But yeah, check out our website, look at the reviews. If you're tracking the car, there's really no other system on the market that's going to keep up with our system for the abuse and availability of spares and all the things you're concerned about when you're racing your car on a racetrack.